Friends, the transport business is filled with a lot of challenges. Increasing prices of diesel, uncertainty of return load, and different types of load and applications are the things we're all aware of. In such a situation, to make the business profitable, the role of a heavy commercial vehicle becomes very important. Believing in this notion, Mahindra has introduced a new range of heavy commercial vehicles, Mahindra Blazo, a truck range equipped with CRDE technologically advanced M-Power Fuel Smart engine, which is an excellent truck range. Come, let's have a look at some important aspects about CRDE technology. CRDE is an electronically controlled diesel fuel injection engine technology. To control the fuel system in this engine, ECU, that is, an electronic control unit, is at its core. This ECU works exactly like our brain does. This means that the way our brain needs all the correct information from our body, in the same way, the engine ECU, with the help of several sensors, keeps a track of all the information regarding the engine. After getting all the information as per mapping, ECU, with the help of actuators, acts further. There are different types of sensors, like engine speed sensor, rail pressure sensor, coolant temperature sensor, oil pressure sensor, and accelerator pedal sensor, which are installed in this engine, which provide information to ECU as per their names. The pressure pump pressurizes the diesel that comes inside the pump. This pressurized diesel gets collected in the common rail. Electronic injectors are totally controlled by ECU. After getting the electronic signals from fuel injectors, injector valve opens and sprays high-pressure fuel in the cylinders. The time that the injector takes to open up determines the quality of fuel it sprays. Mahindra Blazo's new M-Power Fuel Smart engine reduces the noise, pollution, and vibration of a mechanical engine and gives more mileage. To take full benefit of Mahindra Blazo's M-Power Fuel Smart engine, you just have to take care of a few things. Whenever you perform any kind of electric welding in the truck, disconnect the battery terminal and ECU's connector. While washing the truck with water, make sure that the pressurized water doesn't fall on the engine, wirings close to it, ECU and the sensors. To install any kind of accessory in the truck, do not tamper with the wiring harness. Do not disconnect any sensor or actuator's wiring without any specific reason. Use only the lubricant oil that is recommended by the company and not the adulterated ones. Do not install an additional tank or replace the Alusi-coated tank installed by the company with any other type of ordinary one. Multitasking is the need of the hour. Trucks nowadays are driven in various types of load and road conditions. Sometimes it can be market load, no load in return trips, heavy load, or rated load. To drive in such different load conditions, what you need is an engine with various power options. But in the M-Power Fuel Smart technology, you can increase or decrease the engine's power as per the load and road conditions. M-Power Fuel Smart has 3 modes, which are indicated on the truck's dashboard by 3 switches. Light mode. When the truck has to be driven with fewer or no load, then switch on the light mode, because you need less effort, power, and torque. Light mode consumes less fuel and gives you more savings. More the savings, happier the owners and the drivers. Heavy mode. If your truck is running with rated load or with slight heavy load, then you can use heavy mode while on a plain or a marginally uphill terrain. so that you get required pickup as per the situations. Therefore, when in need of suitable power and torque in such situations, switch heavy mode on. You can save time and perhaps make more trips too. Turbo mode. If you are driving your truck with heavy load and need to cross the ghat section, in such a case, instead of using lower gears, you can use turbo mode for better results. That means when your truck runs with heavy load on a treacherous ghat terrain, you need more power and torque, which you can get through turbo mode. Difficult roads can be easily maneuvered. It's time-saving and more profitable. If you drive the truck for more than half an hour in turbo mode, you will hear a buzzer sound thrice, signaling that you can change the mode as per the changing conditions. An LED will start to glow corresponding to the mode you have selected. And the most important thing, to shift from one mode to another, you don't need to halt the truck. That means you can change the mode even when the truck is running. While driving the truck, if any particular mode is selected and due to any reason you stop the engine and start it again, then before turning the engine off, the mode in which the engine was running earlier will get selected again. If due to any reason battery gets disconnected or is removed, then the engine will switch back to the heavy mode. Mahindra has provided fuel-smart switches as per specific needs in its different range of truck models. If your Blazo truck has two modes, that is light and heavy, it means in a situation where the truck runs on a plain terrain or an easy uphill road with lesser or no load, switch on the light mode. And at the time of driving trucks with heavy load on ghat sections, use heavy mode. For your information, Mahindra Blazo 25, 31-ton haulage truck and 40-ton tractor trailer features three modes, that is turbo, heavy and light. While the 25-ton tipper, 37-ton haulage and 35 and 49-ton tractor trailer feature two modes, that is heavy and light. Friends, Mahindra in its new Blazo truck has also made available the unique driver information system. DIS manifests in the form of a display on the dashboard which provides all the important truck information to the driver. Apart from RPM, speedometer, fuel gauge and temperature gauge, it has various lights dedicated to provide different signals and, what's more, an LCD monitor too. On this screen, air pressure, trip kilometer, per kilometer fuel consumption, truck's average speed and battery voltage is also displayed. DIS also provides service reminder from time to time. Now this is what we call smart trucking. Mahindra Blazo understands the road, load and driving conditions and helps you use the truck's technology as per your requirement so that you can save fuel and overcome difficult terrains with complete ease. So friends, isn't Mahindra Blazo a true companion of yours? As you already know, Mahindra has always encouraged the use of new ideas and technologies for its vehicles. It is only due to this that our trucks can be driven without any apprehensions and smoothly. Moving ahead, Mahindra now presents the new smart truck, Mahindra Blazo, with M-Power Fuel Smart Engine technology, so that you can get more out of your truck, earn more, and reach greater heights in your life.